Today in obscure left-hand bridges, we're looking at a Sungil BS213. I dropped it on concrete making this video and marred the chrome. It looks kind of familiar, doesn't it? It's got a full-size steel block and a brass arm receptacle. It floats on two knife edges. The curved edge locates it side to side. And it works pretty well. It returns to zero accurately. You can flutter. The block is deep drilled, and you can see the kink in the string there. You can also look through the block to get more of an idea here. Here's the side profile. You can see there's a tiny shamp for slightly more downward travel, but it doesn't make that much difference. And sintered stainless steel saddles. My favourite sort of saddle ever since the Strat Plus appeared in the late 80s. Push and arm can be adjusted to spin freely or to stay in position. My one criticism is the grub screw location. It compresses the plastic bushing from the side instead of from the rear, so it can't control this back and forward movement. In fact, I should see if I can fix that up. For comparison, here's a Gotoh GE 9096T with the grub screw in a more logical position. You can see there's no slop there.